Want quicker access to YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube directly to your desktop using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works best with Chrome, so make sure you're using it for the easiest experience. In the address bar, type youtube.com and press enter to load the site. Once YouTube opens, look at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on the 3 vertical dots. This opens the Chrome menu. From the drop-down, hover over Save and Share, and then click on Install YouTube. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Just click Install. Once installed, YouTube will open in its own separate window, and a shortcut will be added to your desktop and Start menu, so you can launch it like a regular app anytime you want. That's it. You've now got YouTube on your desktop for faster access. If this helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.